Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a liquid blur effect design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document of these dimensions. First, go to the File menu, Place Embedded. Select the image and click on Place. Adjust its size. Right-click on its layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Select the Rectangle Marquee tool. Make a selection of the outside area. Go to the Edit menu and Fill. Set the content aware and hit OK. Right-click on it and choose Deselect. Go to the Select menu and Subject. Press Ctrl+J for a copy of it. Go to the Filter menu, Blur, and Motion Blur. Use these settings and hit OK. Add a layer mask to it. Select the Brush tool and apply. Go to the Filter menu and Liquify. Use the Forward Warp tool and follow the process. Then press Alt+Ctrl+Shift+E for the merge copy. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu again, and Filter Gallery. Select the grain texture, and use these settings. Go to the Adjustment layer, and add a Gradient Map Adjustment layer. You can play with it to get the best result. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. Change its blend mode to difference. Right-click on it and open the blending options. Go to the underlying layers. Hold the Alt button and click to break the point, then drag toward the right a bit. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer. Change its blend mode to multiply. And you can change the color on it very easily. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.